What's going on, y'all? I just bought a brand new mic and webcam. You know what I'm saying? Prestige Revolution put me on, you know what I'm saying? It's probably gonna be in the description below. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Put me on. We got this mic and webcam from CAT about $4. It was about $4 plus tax, about 89 bucks. Great deal. The guy from the corner store back in CAT he said he had a machete in his hand though. So it was crazy. He had a machete in his hand. He was like, buy this or I'll kill you. And I was like, oh snap, must mean I should buy this. You know what I'm saying? So, great deal. I think it's a great mic. It was such a great deal, man. You have no idea, man. You know what I'm saying? Just like Prestige Revolution, you know what I'm saying? I just want to give it a round of applause. Just great mic. Just a great mic. You know, oh man. I think I'm getting too loud. My mic is like, oh man, my mic is able to really pick it up. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for watching this. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Bro, like this really picks me up really well. The webcam is really good. The mic is really good. You know what I'm saying? One more round of applause. Just really great. Thank y'all for watching, man. Subscribe. Thank you.